Linking your bank account to Summit Credit Union is a straightforward process that allows for easy transfers and management of your finances. Follow these steps to successfully link your account. Step 1. Visit the Summit Credit Union website. Go to the official Summit Credit Union website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your security. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select Link External Account. In the Account Settings menu, find the option labeled Link External Account or Add Bank Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 5. Enter bank details. Fill in the required information for the bank account you wish to link, including the bank name, account number, and routing number. Review the information for accuracy and submit the request. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that your bank account has been linked successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Summit Credit Union's customer support for assistance.